India, right? Any such kind of minister.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Continue.
You can also use that
Yes, yes, yes.
charismatic personality.
Charismatic, right? Right. Charismatic.
Who is Mr. S. Jayasankar Prasad?
Ah,
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Nowadays, his statements are very good and very brave and very bold. Yesterday, I was listen yesterday was I listen his statement in regarding the America and his slam of the in front of America, uh, of the America. His slam to the America in front of American media last night when I was listening him. Yes.
Okay.
So that is why.
Great. Very nice answer. That's good. Okay. So he represents. Yes. That was my mistake. And yes, when we use this word in Hindi, can anybody translate this in English directly? Tarife kabil. Tarife kabil. Because after listening your part of explanation, I could
fla-
prefer
flawless.
that flawless is without any mistake. No,
Okay.
tarife kabil. That is commendable. Commendable.
Commendable.
You
Yes,
might have heard of.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, you might have heard of. It's a good word to use for such kind of person
It's
whom you're talking
commendable.
about. Commendable. I'm writing this spelling as well for you on chat. Okay, I've mentioned it. Commendable personality. Okay, I'll be just speaking of a sentence. I want you to please let me know that what is the error in this sentence. Hold for a second. I'm just creating a sentence for you. Okay. He is residing in the Egypt since 1990. Shall I write the sentence on chat because it is related to our conversation which is going on.
No,
So
he
basically,
is not.
I'm
He
just
has been residing
yeah right.
since.
Yeah right. I'm writing on chat. Okay, fine. I've mentioned this. He is residing in the Egypt since 1990. Is this correct? So according to Rajji, it should be he has been residing, right? Okay, that is one of the errors which you have corrected. What is the other? Can anybody tell me there is one more error here?
I want to see the sentence first of all.
Yeah, sure.
He's
Take your time. Take
he's
your time.
residing in yes. Is in is correct. He has been
He has
residing.
been residing, yes. He has been residing in the Egypt since 1990. Has been residing. There is one more.
No. Okay.
What would you like to say? Is there
No,
any
I
Please continue.
okay. I would like to elaborate. Basically, before country's name, we never use the article. Even there is your specific places, specific things, but when we talk about country's name, we never use the British. So what did we do in this the America? I it's just clicked in my mind, so it is with it. Alright. You can use the United
Okay.
States of America. Now listen, you can use the United States of America. Now, what is the reason? That also has a reason. This country. Then you can use the. Otherwise, you cannot. So
Okay.
basically, United States. Yeah. One more thing I would like to mention here, as per my information, I know that even if we talk about New York, though United States of America is bifurcated in so many countries, people say that they are these states like India, but United States of America itself says no, like Los Angeles. It's the bifurcation of but another themselves as country. So that bifurcation itself cannot use the before any of or not of course it's because the so basically before names of country or state. So, all right, move on to the next. You could change your appearance. What would you alter? Let me just change this question. This is a very biased question. Sort of orthodox question. So let us just change it. If you could change your appearance, who would you like to look like? Let us change like this. If you could change your appearance, who would you look like or want to look like? Whom would you want to look like? I personally did not like, so I changed it up in this form. If you could change your appearance, whom would you look like or want to look
Wants to look like.
like?
Okay.
I don't I won't like to but yeah, I would like to live simple, live very. I want to have smile in my face every time. I would able to help to everyone. That I so I prefer that I would be help to others who need it. So that I
Yes. Uh, I don't want to look like any other because I like my face and myself very well. So as now, I don't want to look like uh, any other because I don't like any actor, actor, sorry, actor, actor